Welcome back. Now, in order to deliver your content, you will need to use some kind of cloud storage where you can create links. And there are several cloud storage sites available. You can use Box, Dropbox, or Mediafire. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to install the application on your iPhone that you're more likely to use, and then you'll need to share your files into that area. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to install the Mediafire app. That means we'll go to the App Store and click View. When we get to the site, what we're going to do is we're going to click Get. Once we've downloaded the app, we'll then click Open. You can choose whether to have notifications sent to you. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to sign in to your account. Once you're inside your account, you'll then have your files available. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go inside of the folder where your files are. Then you'll want to choose the file where you're going to create the link. And you'll get a menu when you select the file. You'll then click the Share button. You'll then click Add to Notes. And then you'll have the link that you can share. What you'll want to do then is you'll want to choose the note where you want the link. And your link is then ready to be used in wherever you want to place it. Now, to copy the link, what you're going to do is you're going to place the cursor on top of the link. You'll then select all. You'll then copy. And then you can take the entire link and place it where you want it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.